Okay, for the top one, you already know how to log in. So when you log in on the website with your username and password, you're going to come to the dashboard. And the dashboard is kind of complicated for me to work with. So I want you to click up here. And you see where it says visit site? Then you click there. And then this is the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change I'm going to change the front. I already took off the stuff about Bishop. So I'm going to change the front a little bit. And then, so how you do that? So the first thing you want to do is edit page. So you just, any page you want to edit. You could edit any one of these pages and add anything to them. But this is a page we're going to do is the home page. So I'm going to edit this page. And then what it brings me to is what's called a DB Builder. All right, so DB Builder is what we used on here instead of a regular template. I use this because I like it. You don't have to use this, but I use it. So if you scroll down, okay, the back, you can see these are the pictures. So I want to add his picture here. You don't have to so you have to pick a row. So when I want to, you click on the green and I have to add it because we're adding it. And then I'm going to add image. Image. Here you go. Okay, so when I add image, then this box opens up and I have to click on here. Then I have to upload, I have to add the image. So here, I'm going to add his image, which I had to do over. Okay, so upload image. And then you go there. So you want to click on here, this arrow. But every time you do something on the site, you have to update. Okay, so we can look at it and see how it looks. All right, look at the site. Go back to what I said, visit site. Okay. And what you see, okay, did I put it before? So here, it's after the Pope and him. Here's his picture. Here's his picture. Okay, so I'm going to edit page, which is okay. And then, if you want to, okay, so we have his image right here, right? This is his image. And then I just want to make sure it's in the center. No, it's okay. Oh. Okay, so that's it for that. And then if you want to add the YouTube video, all right, so underneath the image, we can add another thing. You want to add a text box because you want to put the video in what's called a text box. Okay, so this is visual, this is text. So if I want to, this is a video link though. I like to embed it. So I'm gonna text box, and you have to paste the embed code, not the URL. I don't know how to do that on this. But anyway, I'm gonna paste this and then visual. I don't know if it's there. I have to look. Oh God. Anyway, okay, Brother Tom, so I pasted it and update. Let's check to see if it's there. I'm not sure. Let me go back to visit the site. Okay, let's see. We have his picture, and I don't see the thing. Let's see, maybe might be taking a little long to load. Oh, here it is. Okay, we do have it. It took a little long to load, but here it is. Okay, this is his. So this is a video. This is him. All right. And then I'm going to go back to edit page. And then I'm going to add the text that you sent me. And that will be it. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste it. Copy and paste all the way down. I'm copying and pasting this text. Okay. Meanwhile, the DV is loading up. Taking a little long on my computer, but it's loading up. And I'm going to copy the text. And then I copied it. So then we're going to go here. Okay, so here you have, this is his image. This is his text, you know, with the video. And then I'm going to add another text. Okay, and so that way we could just put in text, all of that text. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. And there you have it. So make sure this is black. So we have black. Make sure that's black text. There you go. And there you have it. And then do this. And again, I'm going to go back to update. Always update after you make any changes. Remember that, nothing else, because otherwise it won't be there. And then I'm going to click on here again and visit the site. I can actually do it here too, view page. Again, it'll take a little while to load. So we want to make sure, there you go. Everything, all this text is there. And it goes down to the next thing and goes like the rest of it. So that's how you do it. Okay, I hope it's clear. All right. But I would definitely always, if you, whatever page you want to edit, you edit from here. And I already sent you how to change this. So you should be good. Okay. All right, cool.